20.
X-ray 20.
Okay, I have a green Honda that just refused to submit. No longer behind the vehicle. Southbound on Main, passing the McDonald's. North end.
Received any descriptions on them?
Negative. It's got a loud exhaust, lowered. It's going to be one of the drag racers. But when I tried to pull it over, it took off and several of the other cars blocked me so I couldn't get behind them.
Copy, press 300, took off southbound on Main, no other info.
It's going to be 4 Juliet X-ray 412, just circled around. Took off again.
Yeah, X-ray 20, you gotta go again with that, we mentioned those.
4 Juliet X-ray 412, circled around. I was able to get the plate, but the cars are blocking me in again.
Copy, what's the last area you saw?
It's going northbound on Main now. Okay, just turned around. It's coming back towards the McDonald's. It's just doing circles around here.
Received at the Honda 4 Juliet X-ray 412, repeatedly south and northbound on Main.
It's going to be a white male driver with a beard, blonde hair.
Copy, operator is a white male with a beard, blonde hair. Alpha 1, can you get to that area if you're not there already?
Alpha 1 just...
And again, it's going to be 4 Juliet X-ray for the beginning of the plate.
Copy, 4 Juliet X-ray. X-ray 21. 21. Disregard Alpha 1. I'm on my way over here. Received Alpha 1, you can disregard.
Alpha 1.
X-ray 20, that shot spotter is going to be the motorcycles backfiring again.
Received, thank you.
Recording.
Stop the car! Stop the car! You're driving! X-ray 20, shots fired. The car just drove right at me. Took off on Sheldon Street.
Okay, sir, you got a 901, please, 901.
X-ray 20, shots fired. The car took off on me. Almost struck me, drove right at me. Took off towards Bernie. Don't have any sight of the car at all.
Okay, what was the original location, sir?
It's gonna be Maine and Sheldon.